Hello guys, it's me Austin here again with another video. This will be a jumping video, and yes, my face has been shown for the first time. So, over here we got a few trucks that I'm going to jump. Not all of them, because, you know, I got a box full, I got a bag full of them. So, yeah. So, first up, we have two big 124 scales, grave digger and shock therapy. A big fail. Alright, I'm not going to try two boxes because that's just going to be a lot. So let's just try one. See how it goes. Here it goes, grave digger, shock therapy. Next up are two final 164 scales, Suzuki and Into the Camo. Now on to the 164 scales, grave digger and maximum destruction. Always max Here are our final 164 scales, Wild Thing, an older one. It's the 2001 video one. And Scarlet Pink.
He got hurt.
Up next are the Ghost 143 scale, maximum destruction, and the silver grave digger. And our final trucks tonight, Batman and Monster Mode. That was our Monster Jam jumping video part 1. Part 2 I'll probably do some other time. I got all weekend today, Saturday, I got tomorrow I can do one. But I gotta upload 2 other videos. So that is it. Bye. So, I hope you enjoyed the video.